Hi, I'm Tanveer from India. I'm a Wakelet ambassador and a certified trainer from Wakelet. So today we will discuss how you can create tutorials to engage your students. So we already know that creating tutorials is really fun, and during the COVID-19 lockdown across the world, educators are looking for various platforms so that they can create tutorials for their students. So being educator, you will be developing learning models. Your vision will help the students to clear their concepts through your tutorials. So make your tutorials effective by adding audio visuals so that you can engage your students so that they can submit their assignments. So you need to have these things ready with you once you have decided to make the tutorials. Notes in the form of text, slides, spreadsheets, PDFs, etc. Links to the external resources to learn, links to recorded YouTube channels, bookmarks of important websites to refer, crystal clear pictures, diagrams, links to heavy files that can be stored on Google Drive or OneDrive, Flipgrid videos if you have any. So you can see here, I have added a screenshot from one collection having PDF file and some text referring to some tutorial. Then you can add some tutorial links if you have any known website so you want to refer to your students, so you can embed that link here. If you have any recorded lecture on YouTube, you can put that link also. So these are few courses available for different courses at different websites, so I have taken as a bookmarks. So if you have any classroom teaching pictures or if you want to show any diagram to your students, you can add that with the caption. So here if you have any heavy files, like I have added one PDF document that is a Wakelet ebook, you can drag it from the Google Drive. So if you are connected on Flipgrid and if you have uploaded your videos in Flipgrid, you can embed that in the Wakelet. So let us move to Wakelet to see how this can be happen, because I have added number of things which will help you to make a tutorial. So this is a website that is wakelet.com. So here you have to click on a create a new collection. So a page will open, you can add your cover image here, you can post the image showing your subject code, enter title for your collection, you can here write introduction to operating systems, write a description, you can add the chapter name for the chapter names here, and this is what we have to do. You can paste any web address here, so I have kept one ready. You can paste the web address here, it will show you the thumbnail about that particular link, like spoken tutorial project IIT Bombay. So again, if you will, you can add text, like you can add chapter 1 begins here. You can also highlight as per your need. Then you can paste here some text also. So let me take it from the PPT, or like if you want to copy this text, you can paste here and press the done. So your content of chapter 1 will appear here. Similarly, if you have any YouTube video, you just have to click on YouTube and you can search here operating system. Your it will search and you can add any video if you want to add, so that it will help your students to learn from. Similarly, you can add tweets. If you have any tweets related to operating system, you can search here. So it will show you the tweets available on Twitter related to operating system. You can add any number of tweets also. So it will appear here so that you can refer at the end when you are completed with that. So again, if you have any bookmarks, if you want to upload any image, most importantly, the notes came in the form of PDF. So you can upload any PDF. It can be anything. So I have LaTeX final presentation. So your PDFs will be uploaded here. And apart from that, if you have any Google Drive, OneDrive, or Flipgrid video link, you can add that. So after completing it, you can also change the layout from here. So it's a by default media view. You can have a mood board so that your everything will be displayed here. So automatically your changes will be saved and your collection will be private. So you can make it public and click on the done button. So you can see here that when you again move to your home, so introduction to operating system will appear here. So you can click on that. You will have all your documents which you want to keep and which you have added. So in this way you can generate any tutorial on Wakelet, and even if you want to add some contributors, you can click on the contributor invite. You can share this link, you can share the QR code, you can copy this code with your colleague so that they can together with you they can uh, add in these tutorials. So this is all about how you can create audio video tutorials, how you can curate all the resources available on the internet so that you can engage your students. So this is all about creating tutorials to engage student. I will be looking for your comments in the description. I will also add few links which will help you to get it done. Thank you so